That is Hamza's garden. And that is Hamza. Hello Hamza! That's an apple tree. That is in Fred's garden, who is Hamza's next door neighbour. Few years back, the apple tree had some kind of disease. It was cooking apple. They wanted to get rid of the whole apple tree, and I suggested that they should allow me to graft it, just in case if we could get rid of that disease and come up with some nice apples. So originally I grafted 4 different varieties. One didn't take off over here. The other 3 varieties, that's one that took off. That is the second one, and that is third one. So all these 3 varieties, they took off because the tree was very well established. In the second year it gave us some fruit. This year there is a lot of fruit on it. This is a very late ripening variety which has some fruit on this branch. Some apples over here, some are hanging on that branch. Actually the branch going inward needs trimming and needs changing the direction. If we look from here, nice apples, red, nice color of apples. Both varieties, one is Discovery and the other one, they both are early ripening varieties. After 3 years of grafting, it is full of fruit and it gives a nice look. Very pleasant, full of fruit, and you can't imagine, if the tree is established, it can give fruit. In the 3rd year, the amount of fruit it will give is unbelievable. All 3 varieties have some fruit on it, and because it gets a lot of sun, so it is bringing a lot of color into the apples.